Hi, good day everyone. For today's episode, Baba and I, we're going to a year-end party. Papunta na kami ngayon sa hotel and magpe-prepare kami for the event tonight. So, nandito na kami guys. So, ngayon, nandito na kami sa room. Ready na rin ako. Hi guys, papunta na kami ni Baba sa baba. Ready na.
We're going to the event hall downstairs. There's a holiday party going on, and we're attending.
Wow! Come on, dance, guys!
Hi guys, kakatapos lang ng event and we're going back to our room para mag-swimming.
Para mag-swing.
Nakakuha kami ng so heavy. Wait, so heavy.
It was a successful event. Marriott is a very good company. Hands down to Marriott.
A set of body wash.
It'll last us for 1 year. Not joke.
Itutour ko kayo. Tourist guide yard dito sa lobby ng Aloft Hotel, Anchorage. So guys, we're heading to our room. Kasi tapos na yung event.
Tomorrow.
Hi, good morning everyone. It's another day. And now we're going to get breakfast. Dito lang kami sa baba. Hindi kami lumabas ng hotel. This is the choices of their drinks. They have also noodles, snacks, and breads, fruits, chocolates, and meron din silang menu here. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Hi guys, I'm ready to eat. We got our breakfast. I have a waffle and Baba get a chorizo wrap. So let's eat. Baba, get some. What is the best for this one? Bella. This is a typical breakfast. It's so cute.
Actually, kahit na you don't need syrup, okay nang ito. The waffle's already sweet itself.
Yeah.
No?
How about your wrap, Baba? Chorizo wrap.
Very typical yung ano nila, burrito. It's kind of like breakfast burrito. Pero very ano siya, hindi siya fresh. Like it's like pre-made na siya
Pre-made.
from the day before. Tapos pre-heat na lang nila. I need more tissue. Or...
Yes.
Yes.
On the table.
Oh.
I like the blueberry. Pero masarap din siya with Nutella, Baba.
You wanna try mine?
May mga sugar bits siya sa waffle talaga.
Yeah. Like the crunchy part?
Yeah.
Their cake last night was so good. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was probably one of the best cakes I've tasted this year. Other than our wedding cake. Masarap yung wedding cake rin natin. Banana chocolate. But this one is, the texture is there. It's not just soft. It's
Yeah.
crunchy.
Kasi ano siya,
Ang tama yung chocolate. Although I think some people find it too sweet.
yung chocolate mousse and then yung
Pero compliment siya sa wine ko. Kasi you eat chocolate with red wine.
Hi guys, nandito na kami sa room. Magre-rest ulit kami para mamaya for checkout. Naka-prepare na kami for checkout guys and we're going back sa house. We're heading at home now. I hope you enjoy for today. See you in my next video. Bye!